Okay, guys, real talk. Your About page might actually be losing you clients. I know, it's not your prices, not your experience, it's this. And it's not because you're a bad writer, it's because no one taught you how to write this page in a way that sells your work. So today I'm breaking down the 5 biggest mistakes coaches make on their About page. And if you want to follow along, grab your free 5-minute About page audit linked in the comments below. Let's start. Mistake number 1, leading with your credentials. Look, I get it. You worked hard for those certifications. You've got degrees and years of experience. Of course you want people to know. But here's an uncomfortable truth. Your clients aren't buying your degrees. What they're buying is the transformation you deliver. Let me show you what I mean. I worked with a leadership coach whose About page started with 3 long paragraphs about their credentials. And yes, she looked highly impressive, a super smart woman, but no one was clicking book a call. So we swapped that for one clear line. I help new leaders walk into high-stakes meetings calm and clear. Within a week, her page engagement doubled and people actually started booking consultations because they saw themselves in that first sentence. Lead with the result, not with your resume. Next is mistake number 2, the memoir trap. And this is a big one. A lot of coaches write their About page as if it was an autobiography. Every life event, every lesson learned, every challenge. And listen, your story matters. But if your About page is all about you, your readers will get lost. They're skimming thinking, cool story, but how does it actually help me? Your About page isn't a memoir, it's a point of resonance. They need to see themselves in that story. So your goal is to share your story in a way that reflects their struggles. Let me show you. Instead of saying, I started my business after a long corporate career, juggling motherhood and burnout, try this. If you've ever felt like you're constantly showing up for everyone but yourself, I get it. See the shift? Now it's about their struggle through your lens. Small note on the side. If you find what I'm sharing helpful, make sure to hit the like button so the algorithm shows the video to more people who need to see it. Let's move on. Mistake number 3, no clear next step. And this is actually a huge conversion killer. People land on your page. They're curious. They find you interesting. And then nothing. No call to action, no invite, no obvious next step. And here's the harsh truth. Your audience isn't going to guess what to do next. They have meetings, they have to get their kids from school, walk their dog. If they don't see a clear path, they'll just leave. Think of your call to action like a door. You're not shoving people through it. You're inviting them in. That's why every About page needs a simple and visible next step. Book a call, get on the email list, download a resource. Mistake number 4, playing it neutral. Yes, as coaches, we are trained to hold space, to stay neutral, and that's powerful in a coaching session. Online, neutral is forgettable. Your About page has to sound like you, because clients don't just want to know what you do. They want to know if they like you, if they trust you, if they feel safe with you. This is the moment to actually share your quirks, your humor, your boldness. That's what makes someone stop the scroll and think, I actually like this person. The bottom line is, your voice is an asset. Use it. Okay, mistake number 5, vague and inspirational language. You know them, words like empower, transform, find your true self. They sound great, but they're everywhere. Which means your dream client scrolls right past wondering, okay, but how does that actually work? If your About page reads like it could be anyone's website, it won't stop the scroll. What does is concrete and specific language. Instead of, I help women feel empowered, try, I help women stop second-guessing themselves and finally make decisions with confidence. See the difference? That's clarity, and clarity converts. And here is the best part. Fixing your About page doesn't mean you have to rewrite the whole site or hire an overpriced copywriter. It's really about structure. Start with your client's pain points. Use your story as proof you get them. Show them the transformation you deliver. And give them one clear next step. Want to take a next step right now? Open your About page, circle every sentence that's about you, and rewrite just one of them to be about your client. That tiny tweak will instantly make your page more engaging. And if you want to know exactly what to fix next, grab the 5-minute About page audit in the comments below. Hey, and don't forget to hit subscribe and activate the bell, because next week I'll walk you through every single element your About page needs to actually convert. Till then, take care, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.